Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Y'all, I'm just jumping on real quick. I just got in from Walmart. It is Sunday, February the 28th, and I got about 5 days before I head up to my grandson's first birthday. So I was debating whether I was just going to give him a gift card or money in the envelope or to go get him something for his birthday. So look what I found after an hour riding around on the scooter in Walmart. I had several different things in my cart, but I said he's only 1 year old. You know, I'll wait until Christmas when he's about 15, 16 months old and I'll get that other stuff. But isn't this adorable? And this is what it looks like on the back. It is the Speak and Learn puppy. And what I thought was so cute is that you just push this button and look at the ears.
Hi, my name is Bailey. I'm glad to see you. Let's play.
And it's going to teach him like his ABCs.
Story time.
It has stories.
Make a sad sound.
Music. And then push this one.
Let's learn letters. A is for apple. Apple. Now you say apple.
So he'll be learning his ABCs, and this was $29.99, and plus I got the $3 warranty on it just in case something happens to it. Oh my goodness, and it repeats what I say.
Way to go!
I didn't even know it did that. How cute. So this is what and then it has the turn off button right here. So this is what I got him for his birthday. And then, of course, you know, I cannot forget my Truly Bear. So I was going riding around, and she was talking about, Nanny, I need hats, and I need a hat and some gloves. Now she was telling me that when I was up there at Christmas, so we went to the Walmart there, and I couldn't find a hat and gloves set for her, but I found one today. Look at the pretty little heart and the matching gloves, and these were on clearance, marked down the $4. So even though it's getting ready to turn March, still in North Carolina, like today is 72 degrees. It is like pneumonia weather, so I'm hoping that she'll be able to get a little use out of this. If not, her mom can put it up for the winter coming. So I found that for her. Now, my while I'm doing this video, I need y'all to run to Walmart. Real quick, they have the gloves and the fuchsia and the cream white, and these are only 50 cents. If you have grandchildren, you may want to run and pick some up and put up in your stash for next winter. But I got these two for Truly Bear, and look what they had, y'all. So I went to Walmart at 7:30 this morning. It is now 11:47, so that's how long I was in there. But real quick, I had texted my daughter-in-law to ask her what size Truly wear, because I know when I got her patent leather shoes for Christmas, I got them in a size 5'6". Well, her mom texted me back. She said, no, Kelly, she is wearing a size 8. I said, oh my gosh. So I found these adorable slippers, the unicorns for her. Look at these. And I got them in 7/8. And guess how much they were? $3. So y'all try to get down to your Walmart and get this clearance sale. Now, you know I just didn't get these, but I wanted to show you these. And guess who got the matching pair? Ariana. So all these slippers I'm showing you are $3. Now I got Ariana in a size 2 to 3 because when I bought her shoes, her mom said she wore a 3, and that was in December. That's about 4 months ago, so maybe she can slide in them just so her and Truly Bear will be matching, this weekend with their lovable slippers. I'm praying that Ariana will be able to fit these. If not, she can just slide them on. Her feet will be hanging off, but just so her and Truly, like I said, can have the same slippers. So I got them, and then I couldn't find no more size 7, 8 for Truly. But I did find these adorable slippers. Look at that. It's a cat, and there's the cat face here, and then there's the rest, the tail, and the other paws. Isn't that cute? And this is what they look like. Now I found these in the size 4, 5 for Ariana, so I'm quite sure she'll be able to get into these. And they were $3. And then I found these nice little clogs for her with the unicorn and the rainbow, and it has like the fake fur inside. I thought these were so cute, and I got these in a 4, 5. Now these will be really nice when she's getting out of the hot tub this summer, or just to be walking around, the house. Nothing special, but I thought she likes these type of shoes. So I thought she would enjoy these. And then these are for her when she comes. Now, the set that I just showed you, these are going up to Charlotte. I'm going to wrap these in a few, and Truly Bear's is going to get wrapped as well. All right. And then lastly, they had the clearance again, and I got Truly Bear this nice jogging suit with the black with the gold hearts, and she's got like the hoodie with the pink heart, and these were marked down, I believe, $2 a pair, $2 each. So she got a whole set for $4. And then I found these nice pants for her. She got that. And then she got a pretty little top with the ruffles at the bottom. And these were $2 as well. So I believe I'm going to have her wear this for the birthday party on Saturday. I just have to remind her mom to send her with her sneakers so she'll be able to run around. And then I got her a pack of size 4 to 5T little t-shirts. Yeah, so that's what I did today. I'm going to get on in here and get to wrapping up these little gifts to take up, because I didn't want Truly Bear to think that, she didn't get anything. So I'm going to wrap their stuff up. I may have to run out to the Dollar Tree because I only have this Christmas frozen wrapping paper left, and I want to make sure that their stuff is wrapped and start getting everything in the truck for my ride. So if I don't see y'all no more this week, I do have a couple other videos that'll be premiering on Thursday, a DIY Thursday, and I may go live Friday night in the hotel and a little bit at my grandson's party. So y'all have a fabulous week, and I will talk to y'all later. And always remember, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Y'all stay blessed, and I'll see you in another Walmart Wednesday video. Bye-bye.